there are certain parameters around which हम लोग को highlight करना पड़ता है so that हम intent show कर पा रहे हैं, showcase कर पा रहे हैं वहाँ पर.
Correct. So that is why long-term and short-term goals have been defined already. Plus, we also need to add some information about the university that shows that we are familiar with the curriculum of the university. हमें प्रोग्राम के बारे में काफी नॉलेज है. अगर कोई क्लब्स एंड कम्युनिटीज है, कोई फैकल्टी मेंबर्स है जिनके बारे में मेंशन कर सकते हैं, एनी यूनिवर्सिटी स्पेसिफिक नॉलेज इन्फॉर्मेशन हम वो भी स्टेट करते हैं. So that also basically highlights our intent again. हमने इतनी रिसर्च करी है यूनिवर्सिटी के बारे में because we're actually genuinely interested in the program. तो हिस्ट्री के केस में I remember कि विवेश ने बताया था कि it is a dream. Imperial is a dream university, target university. तो फिर first SSC draft आया था हमारा skeletal draft. तो Rishi was like, this is good, but क्या ये Imperial के लिए good है?
And it was a constant question across Kashish and me that okay, Karthik, do you think it is good for Imperial? Do you think it reaches those standards? या हम इसमें कुछ और change करें क्योंकि मुझे तो सब पसंद आया.
There was skepticism in that time
Yes,
selection
yes.
process.
We went through multiple round of revisions की एकदम perfection और finish तो लाना ही है हमें.
Okay. ठीक है.
Hello, I am Numair and I welcome you all to this podcast. Another day, another student, but the dream of studying abroad in a top-ranked university has come true again. Here we have with us Rishwi, who has gotten offers from National University of Singapore, University of Manchester, University of Edinburgh, Warwick University, and Imperial College of London. Yes, you heard it right. We shall discuss about how this happened, but before that.
Alright, so first of all, I welcome Rishwi, who's a part of our East Press family, and along with her, we have Kashish, who's a career strategist, and of course, Karthik, who's a senior career strategist. And before I move ahead, Rishwi, how do you feel? Like, you have gotten answers from such top-ranked universities. What is the gesture right now?
Obviously feels like a dream. I mean, I obviously had a couple of universities in my mind, but I never thought that I'll get accepted into so many. So definitely feels like a dream. I'm over the top. Super happy.
Okay, that's cool. Rishwi, alright, Rishwi, so when did you start initially to think about studying abroad?
So I think initially I wanted to go abroad after my graduation, but then I thought of taking a career break, like not a break, but had a work experience. So I think then I thought I'll take a 2-year work experience and then I'll go abroad for my studies. So I started looking for options last year only when I completed 1 year. And I think I connected with Ace My Prep in August, if I'm not wrong. I don't remember the exact
Alright, Rishwi, so you have done your BCom in your undergraduation, that is from DU, Maitri College specifically.
Yes.
So, from DU to Imperial, the journey seems very long and very wide, right? And we are gonna talk about how it happened eventually. But, when you were in your final year, was it clear back then कि बाहर जाना है, बाहर पढ़ना है, I have to crack something big, or were you not sure कि करेंगे नहीं करेंगे?
I think that was always clear कि बाहर जाना है. I think my mom was always somebody who was very supportive about it, and I also wanted to do that because initially I wanted to do it just after school, but then I thought I'm not ready right now. So yes, and I think my target was LBS back then because I wanted to do MIM. Marketing was not the first choice at that point of time, and I think I came to Ace My Prep with the goal that I have to go to LBS only.
Okay, ठीक है, fair enough. ठीक है, Rishwi, we graduated. And afterwards, you were planning to study abroad, but of course, there were some delusions, there were some dilemmas that you were in. So, how did you proceed further with it? Like, हमने job करा, or we started working in the profile. What was it about?
So at that point of time, I'll be very honest. I always had an interest in marketing. So my profile in college was a little bit diverted towards marketing. But then Deloitte came for a campus placement. I got selected. I thought it's a good brand name. Let's go to Deloitte.
Alright.
So that is how Deloitte happened. And then when I started working, it was pretty clear that I worked for 2 years because that's the amount of experience I want to take. So I worked for 2 years.
Alright. Deloitte is indeed a very good brand name to have in your profile. So when you were in Deloitte, right, wasn't it a thought didn't it strike you that Deloitte made I think it's safe over here, secure job, safe place, safe environment, in fact a very comfortable ecosystem over there?
I think so. The point was that my area of interest.
Okay.
I am working as an audit person, so of course it did not really. It was not something that I wanted to do for a very long period of time. I did get this thought ki let's just settle down. CPA Deloitte offers you, so you
Mhm.
can get done with CPA and good money, good career growth. But then I just had this thought that this is the time. If I want to switch, this is the time I'll switch. Otherwise, I'll kind of be stuck here. So that's when it happened.
Okay. Since you just mentioned that you were an audit assistant over there in Deloitte,
Yeah.
right? And now you are going forward with marketing. So we all know that shifting your field or career field, it's not very easy. So how did you decide to take this leap of faith to step into marketing, a whole new genre, a whole new world?
So again, because I had interest in marketing, and I honestly took a leap of faith. I still feel it's a leap of faith if I'll get a job in marketing or not. But yeah, it was like that. It was a dream, and I know that if I'm doing well where I am currently, and that's not my area of interest, I'll definitely do something better in something that I'm interested in. So that is why I thought of going ahead with marketing.
All right. Did you ever have any marketing experience in terms of practical exposure to marketing?
I did. So in college, I did a couple of internships. I worked with Nykaa. I
All
worked
right.
with a couple of startups in the field of marketing.
All right.
So I did have a experience.
Okay, fair enough. ठीक है निश्चित. So when it comes to the migration part, which basically means कि हम अपना career shift करते हैं from one field to another, ठीक है, ये this demands a lot number of prerequisites because when it comes to marketing itself, ठीक है, that subject or that domain in itself is something which is very wide. टेक भी आता है इसके अंदर. These days analytical accounting also comes in, strategic management जहाँ आपने अप्लाई करा था, you got an offer from that as well. ठीक है, तो these courses are actually very predefined. They have certain requirements जो हम लोग को पूरा करना पड़ता है. And you are coming from BCom particularly, which is indeed a very comprehensive subject जहाँ पे marketing भी पढ़ाते हैं. तो how did you decide कि marketing prerequisites हम actually clear कर पाएंगे? Because before getting into the process, you need to be very sure ना कि हो पाएगा नहीं हो पाएगा.
I think that is where my conversation with Karthik comes in. कि जब हम decide कर रहे थे initially, so I came with MIM कर लेते हैं because that is what I knew was a good course, getting to a consulting job, do that. But then deep down I knew कि marketing is something that I like. So I think we did go through all the courses, जो उनका material था, structure था, and then I realized कि couple of courses is something that I've done. I'm also working in audit, so I do have a lot of financial knowledge. I do have knowledge of certain softwares. So I think that is how it came into picture. It was a leap of faith.
Absolutely. So were there any initial challenges that you faced in your profile?
I think there were no such challenges, I believe, because BCom honors, I think, gives me a very comprehensive area of subjects that I've studied. There were no challenges. I think the challenge will come when I start studying.
That's when I hope it doesn't come. So what was your initial review of Rishvi's profile?
So when Rishvi came to me, I remember again वही same चीज थी कि I want to go for MIM. LBS is my target. The first thing was GMAT because LBS needs a GMAT. तो वहाँ पे हमारा एक सबसे बड़ा barrier था कि हम देंगे GMAT या नहीं देंगे.
अच्छा, so you're not having GMAT in the profile?
No, we don't
She
have GMAT or GRE.
She cracked all of those good universities without a GMAT.
Without a GMAT or a GRE, right?
Clickbait for you guys.
Yes. So that was the thing कि initially good GPA, good brand name, but again जो हमारा audit to marketing वाला एक था, तो I told her कि नहीं यार avenues, let's explore the avenues first. And I remember that she said कि मेरी एक दोस्त है Imperial में, she cracked Imperial with the same profile as me and I want to crack that. Okay, ठीक है. So her target is my target. So that's when we got into conversations, and I think it was a pretty decent profile when it was my first review. Again, it's the magic that we do. So
Since being a CS, you know what kind of profiles are required for these top universities.
correct.
So at that point of time when you were introduced with Rishvi's profile, क्या हमने कोई भी weakness या फिर कोई भी shortcomings predict करी थी अपने mind में कि ये सब हो सकता है प्रोसेस में जो आगे हम फेस करें?
Right. So first एक चीज था that was curriculum. एक वो shortcoming था that I remember कि हमने curriculum पे बहुत focus किया था in terms of to see whether the profile is matching, and that eventually determined the chances of getting into that university. अगर curriculum में कुछ ऐसे courses है which we have not done, right, or we don't have any knowledge of, so that eventually made it very difficult for us to go ahead with it.
Okay.
But touchwood, we identified that problems very early because Imperial target था, तो I remember we sat down with the curriculum open and we went through all those subjects, electives, and everything.
Mm-hmm.
And then I told her, okay, let's go ahead with the profile enhancement plan. There are certain courses that she has to do so that she doesn't face any problem while she's at Imperial.
Okay.
Right? So it was very clear कि Imperial तो जा ही रहे हैं.
Mhm.
But again, there is always luck that plays out or a
Absolutely.
charm that plays out.
In
Right?
fact, Imperial has climbed the ladder. It has become second most renowned university around the globe itself.
Correct.
So that is something which is very big in India.
Right. Yes. So that is actually true, and it increases the competition that is going there at
Mhm.
Imperial. So again, वहाँ Imperial था, but yes, deep down I also knew, okay, we have good names on the profile and
Mhm.
we are chasing good names. There was, if you see the shortlist, there are just 8 options in the first shortlist, then 11 options in the second shortlist, and then we come down to the top 5.
All right, Kashish, coming on to you. You also have been sitting quite for a long time now. I want you to speak up. So, Kashish, you handled all of the applications part when it comes to Rishmi's profile and our application portal as well. So, how was your journey? Like, did you face any concerns? Or I would say, name 3 concerns in her profile and at that point of time when applications were going on.
Okay. So firstly, again reiterating the same point कि audit से एक marketing का हमारा
Mhm.
switch था. That was one of the things that we had to highlight. तो जब हम लोग इस ऋषि के SOPs पे काम कर रहे थे, that is when we were basically highlighting this a lot, emphasizing on this point कि ऋषि के पास prior marketing का experience है. Be it internships and be it in her undergraduation as well. So these extracurricular activities, जो कि आप leadership positions ले रहे हो,
Mhm.
marketing societies में, and she was holding a vice president position as well, I believe. So there were quite a lot of other elements in her profile जो कि हम highlight कर सकते थे. Even though the primary work experience, full-time work experience was important, but still उधर भी हम लोग एक चीज highlight ये करते थे कि Rishi was handling UK के projects as well.
Okay.
बैंकिंग में, फाइनेंस में, एंड द यूनिवर्सिटी भी वर अप्लाइंग टू वो यूके का सेक्टर कवर करते हैं.
ठीक है.
सो दीज वर फ्यू थिंग्स दैट वी वर कवरिंग. इनके अलावा नायका का जो इंटर्नशिप एक्सपीरियंस है एंड रोलैंड्स का भी, दीज आर द थिंग्स दैट वी वर हाईलाइटिंग. और इसके अलावा द सर्टिफिकेशन कोर्सेज, द ट्रेनिंग्स, दीज वर द थिंग्स दैट वी वर हाईलाइटिंग. तो चैलेंजेस थे, बट वी न्यू हाउ टू मिटिगेट दोस चैलेंजेस एज वेल.
Okay.
और उसके अलावा जस्ट वन थिंग हैड टू बी मेक श्योर कि हम लोग एप्लीकेशन टाइम पे सबमिट कर रहे हैं या नहीं.
Okay.
बिकॉज सबमिटिंग एप्लीकेशन अर्ली एक्चुअली गिव्स यू नेक्स्ट.
Okay.
तो अगर आपकी प्रोफाइल बहुत अच्छी भी है लेकिन आप बहुत लेट एप्लीकेशन सबमिट कर रहे हो तो फिर देयर आर चांसेस कि आप मिस आउट कर सकते हो.
ठीक.
तो दीज वर द चैलेंजेस, बट हो गया इजीली.
ठीक है. Kashish, one more thing here. I have a question for you. Could you just narrate it or navigate it to our watchers कि UK में application process किस तरह से होता है? Rounds होते हैं. What is it about?
ओके. सो यूके की कुछ टॉप यूनिवर्सिटीज हैं जैसे कि इंपीरियल, ऑक्सफोर्ड, इनमें पर्टिकुलर डेडलाइंस होती हैं कि आपको इस डेडलाइन तक एप्लीकेशन सबमिट करनी होती है. एंड बट देयर आर आल्सो स्कॉलरशिप डेडलाइंस की प्रायोरिटी डेडलाइन ये है इस डेडलाइन तक अगर आप करते हो तो आपको स्कॉलरशिप के लिए कंसिडर किया जाता है.
Okay.
तो इंपीरियल में व्हेन यू वर अप्लाइंग तो देयर वाज नथिंग स्पेसिफिक टू स्कॉलरशिप्स, आपको ऑटोमेटिकली कंसिडर किया जाता है. अगेन तो ऐसी LBS एंड ऑक्सफोर्ड एंड इंपीरियल इन स्कूल्स में डेडलाइंस होती हैं, बट देयर आर आल्सो अ लॉट ऑफ यूनिवर्सिटीज जिनमें रोलिंग बेसिस पे एडमिशंस होते हैं.
Okay.
रोलिंग बेसिस का मतलब होता है फर्स्ट कम फर्स्ट सर्व अवे. तो आप जितनी जल्दी एप्लीकेशन सबमिट करते हो आपको उतनी जल्दी डिसीजन भी मिलता है. इट्स ऑलवेज बेनिफिशियल टू सबमिट एज सून एज पॉसिबल.
Okay. Fair enough. All right. Okay, Kashish. Fair enough. All right. ठीक है Rishmi, so we have heard from your respective CSS. Now I want to hear from your end. How was your experience with both of them, like both of your respective CSS?
So he was my first point of contact. I think Karthik ke sath I had the brief discussion about what university and what course I want to go to, and I think I thank him only for me choosing MSc Marketing because I was adamant on MIM. But then he was like, those are also good options. They'll give you good post-graduation opportunities.
Okay.
So I think we finalized the universities with Karthik, and then I gave my initial SOP, and then I think then I moved with Kashish and I started working on the SOPs and the other thing. And I think both of them were actually there a lot to help me with all my queries. Kashish, I remember I used to be, ये change कर दो SOP में, ये नहीं अच्छा लग रहा है, ये discussion. SOP के साथ like Imperial तो जाना ही जाना है, तो Imperial का it has to be the best SOP.
Okay.
So it was overall a very good experience.
Exactly, I would agree with you because when it comes to SOPL, 80% of the entire application process is highly dependent on कितना ज़्यादा accurate SOP है.
Right.
Like we have to connect the dots. ठीक है, it's not about writing this. I think you guys would relate because you come across hundred of SOPs daily. ठीक है, but Imperial in itself, ठीक है, they have certain questions जहाँ पे वो target करते हैं आपका actual intent क्या है वहाँ करने का. ठीक है, for that itself we're going to talk about how SOPs were created or this Imperial application. But before that, Rishvi, एक बात बताओ. So your dream university, Imperial is one of them. ठीक है, LBS is also there. ठीक है, but what do you think? According to you, from being like students' perspective, हमारी कौन सी strategy ने work किया when it comes to cracking Imperial College of London? Because 0.35 acceptance rate for this particular course, if I'm not wrong.
Right. I think it was majorly the SOP and the person, because we have two different sets is particular university. SOP maybe we have questions, it's not like a single
Correct.
SOP or something. So I think there was a lot of back and forth when we were finalizing those answers. I think first it was with Kashish, then I went to Karthik also. That I just want the answers to be best. Even I did a lot of research, they did a lot of research, and then we finalized the SOP. So I think that was one strategy, because the first, because in Imperial you have 2 rounds. The first is when you submit the application, and then you get an invite for the interview. So I think the first part was getting to the interview, and SOP and the personal statement was the biggest.
Okay, fair enough. So was there any interview?
There was an interview.
There was an interview.
But that was like a Kira interview.
Kira
It's like
interview,
the
okay.
online recorded interview.
Okay.
So for that also, I think I had a session to know how the questions.
Okay, fair enough. Repeating the same question again to you, Kashish. When it comes to SOPs, which is statement of purpose, it could be a motivational letter as well, or there are cover letters to cover up for the same thing. यार हमारा मेन फंडा होता क्या है when it comes to cracking a best SOP, ठीक है, और a perfect SOP out there. What is the main criterion that you have to revolve around? Like what are the considerations?
So आपका स्टेटमेंट ऑफ पर्पस एज द नेम सजेस्ट इटसेल्फ, इसमें बहुत ही आपकी बेसिकली आपका इंटेंट बहुत ज्यादा हाईलाइट होना चाहिए. वी नीड टू शो व्हाट योर शॉर्ट टर्म एंड लॉन्ग टर्म गोल्स आर. बहुत ज्यादा वेल डिफाइंड होने चाहिए, दैट वी हैव सम क्लैरिटी रिगार्डिंग व्हाट एग्जैक्टली वी नीड टू डू. एंड इसके अलावा योर प्रोफाइल आल्सो नीड्स टू बी हाईलाइटेड कि डू यू हैव एनी पास्ट प्रोफेशनल एक्सपीरियंस इन द फील्ड, और आपके एक्स्ट्रा करिकुलर्स को हाईलाइट करते हैं, एनी लीडरशिप एक्सपीरियंस यू हैव, एनी वॉलंटियर एक्सपीरियंस यू हैव.
Actually, there are certain parameters around which हम लोग को highlight करना पड़ता है so that हम intent show कर पा रहे हैं, showcase कर पा रहे हैं.
Correct. So that is why long term and short term goals have been defined होने चाहिए. Plus we also need to add some information about the university that shows that we are familiar with the curriculum of the university. हमें प्रोग्राम के बारे में काफी नॉलेज है. अगर कोई क्लब्स एंड कम्युनिटीज है, कोई फैकल्टी मेंबर्स है जिनके बारे में मेंशन कर सकते हैं, एनी यूनिवर्सिटी स्पेसिफिक नॉलेज इन्फॉर्मेशन हम वो भी स्टेट करते हैं. सो दैट ऑल्सो basically highlights our intent again. हमने इतनी रिसर्च करी है यूनिवर्सिटी के बारे में because we're actually genuinely interested in the program.
Okay.
तो ऋषि के केस में I remember कि ऋषि ने बताया था कि it is a dream, Imperial is her dream university, target university. तो फिर first SOP draft आया था हमारे skeletal draft, तो ऋषि was like this is good, but क्या ये Imperial के level का good है?
And it was a constant question across Kashish and me that okay, Karthik, do you think it is good for Imperial? Do you think it teaches those standards? या हम इसमें कुछ और change करें, क्योंकि मुझे तो सब पसंद आया.
There was skepticism in the entire selection
So
process.
we went through multiple round of revisions कि एकदम perfection of finish तो लाना ही है हमें.
Okay. ठीक है.
Plus there were a lot of addition points. जैसे I remember जब हम read कर रहे थे तो in the resume plus you have to make it very compatible कि आपका resume भी match हो रहा है and the things are also being said. Plus you need to add certain secret elements or I would say surprise elements in the SOP. So I remember to add your business, your own business that you had started. So वहाँ पे that creates a very good pointer that she is running her business along with the full-time job, right? Where she is taking care of the marketing and the tools that she is using. तो वहाँ पे वो हमारा एक factor आ गया. Plus in the strategy creation, there was one thing कि हम जब curriculum देख रहे थे तो there were requisites for, और in the curriculum it was given कि आपको you should know Python, right? You should know SQL, right? Because we will be teaching it as a part of the curriculum.
Because of analytics.
Exactly, because of strategic marketing, right? So that's why. तो I discussed it with her. मैं कहा यार ये है आता है हमें, तो she was like नहीं यार ये तो नहीं आता. क्या करें? Okay. So I told her कि ठीक है, that is not a prerequisite, but it's a require. It's more like कि अगर आपको पहले से एक knowledge है तो it's a plus point, right? Plus when you look at Imperial's application, though the portal is very confusing, but there is a column for technical skills, right? So there we highlighted that कि okay, we'll put those technical skills here. We went to Coursera, did courses on Python introduction courses, Python SQL, and I think Power BI too.
Power BI and Python, I think I did.
Right.
Well, I knew. उससे पहले I did a certification course in business analytics.
Right. And all these things came out when we were creating the resume कि यार अच्छा जो भी समझ आ रहा है लिख दो, क्योंकि अभी it was just to put the profile on the table and then just connect the dots. I think that's the only thing.
A very short question to you, Karthik. When it comes to crafting a proper resume or drafting a proper resume, I would say, what are the key pointers that we have to mark? यार ये तो होना चाहिए. Like if you want to crack board in university, ये चीजें होनी चाहिए, mandatory है.
Right. So अगर हम जॉब के लिए भी अप्लाई करते हैं, taking an example, तो वहाँ पे you will always want to show your resume in the sense that is matching with the roles and responsibilities of the company or the role that you are applying to. So it's a similar case, but यहाँ पे majorly it's more on the internships, it's more on the experience, right? कि आपका क्या experience है, आप क्या क्या चीजें highlight कर रहे हो, plus your entrepreneurial experience, right? That is one of the major things जो हम highlight करना चाहते हैं हमेशा, because it showcases you as a leader कि आप एक leader रहे हो, right? And then your extracurriculars and everything. So it's a properly categorized resume and it should be ATS friendly. That's the biggest thing. अगर वो ATS friendly नहीं है, you have higher chances of getting rejected. Plus the interviewer, or I would say the committee member might not even see your resume. That's the biggest thing. Plus in her case it was related to the course. तो जब भी आप कोर्स के लिए जा रहे हो उसी हिसाब से आपका resume cater होता है, उसी हिसाब से आपका resume tailor होता है. So that's a very major thing. So whatever you are writing or whatever you have done, everything is relevant. So it just needs a good eye to connect the dots.
Absolutely. So since the UK's recession is all about what the air is in the market today, क्या लगता है? Like you have done your research about it when it comes to Retreats for Financial, plus you deal with hundreds of students when it comes to going to UK. Is it true that the markets are not operating at their true potential these days in UK?
So to answer this question, the first thing that we need to keep in mind is कि recession अभी तक चल रहा था. Now the recession actually in 2024 it has come to an end. अब इकोनॉमी किसी भी कंट्री की अगर रिसेशन से बाहर आती है तो देयर इज एन इकोनॉमिक बूम. तो वहाँ पे जो कंपनीज थी पहले, द कंपनीज दैट वर लेइंग ऑफ एम्प्लॉइज, अब वो रीसेंट ग्रेजुएट्स को हायर कर रहे हैं. तो एनी पर्सन हु इज एक्चुअली गोइंग टू स्टडी इन द यूके, जो कि 2025 बैच के लिए जाएंगे या 26 के लिए भी या 24 के लिए भी फॉर दैट मैटर, उन्हें जॉब्स मिलने में issues नहीं होंगे, problems नहीं होंगे if the industry that they are targeting is one of the industries जो कि stable है UK में. क्योंकि it's a very dynamic atmosphere अभी, कुछ political stability, instability के भी issues होते हैं. तो if it is for instance marketing industry या management, these are the top posts in the UK. तो यहाँ पे थोड़ी stability होती है. तो I would suggest for any person targeting UK, आप मैनेजमेंट, फाइनेंस एंड मार्केटिंग, ब्रांड मैनेजमेंट, इन कोर्सेज को टारगेट करें तो जॉब मिलने में उतने इश्यूज नहीं होंगे, बिकॉज इट्स अ रिलेटिवली स्टेबल मार्केट. और सेकेंडली दूसरी चीज़ ये होती है कि एज आई मेंशन कि अभी रिसेंट ग्रेजुएट को हायर कर रहे हैं, अगर आपके पास रेलेवेंट प्रोफेशनल एक्सपीरियंस भी है उस पर्टिकुलर इंडस्ट्री में या फिर किसी अच्छे ब्रांड नेम के साथ भी, और इवन इफ द पोजिशन दैट यू हैव हैड इन योर प्रोफेशनल एक्सपीरियंस, it's a good position. It says something about your skills as well, your technical marketable skills. Then आपको थोड़ा relatively easier ही पड़ता है, because these companies also जो कि UK में hire करेंगी, वो आपके बैकग्राउंड को चेक करते हैं. तो आपके एजुकेशनल बैकग्राउंड के साथ आपके प्रोफेशनल बैकग्राउंड पे भी they early a lot of emphasis.
Okay, very well. ठीक है. So we have become graduate as well. Previous audit. So when it comes to UK issue, ठीक है, तुम्हें क्या लगता है, is the recession actually over? Because you know about it inside out. You're going there. I think you have done your research as well. So what is it?
So the recession is over and it is said that they're coming to a stable ground now.
Mm-hmm.
Of course, depends on a lot of factors. There are political elections which are coming, and there are a lot of factors.
Mm-hmm.
But yes, I believe for getting a job, because I did spoke to a couple of people who were there. So if you have the right skill set and if you have the right work experience and the right approach of networking, I think you can crack a job because of course it's a lot up to how you present yourself and just not the market, because I think the market all across the world right now is not in a very good state.
Absolutely. In fact, students globally,
Hmm.
they are getting aware of the fact कि यार US, UK, Europe में ना placement culture नहीं है जैसे इंडिया में.
Right.
Yeah, right.
ठीक है. So in order to grasp onto a very good job and a very high paying job, you have to make sure कि you are the eligible candidate. ठीक है. Candidature is very very, I would say, competitive and tough. ठीक है. And for the same reason we prepare our students with a robust profile enhancement as well. क्योंकि वहाँ पर you have to make sure कि जिसके साथ compete कर रहे हो आप, ठीक है, you're putting up properly with them, ठीक है. So for that itself, when it comes to this recession part, I was doing my research. MAP, which is Migration Advisory Committee of UK respectively, उन्होंने like अपने सारे social media में, इनका सारे platforms से announce कराई चीज़ कि we are out of the recession. And as you've said, recession के बाद boom आता है. But हाँ, instantly नहीं आने वाला. And of course, you have to be the fittest in order to survive over there. ठीक है. The survival of the fittest applies in UK at this point prominently. क्योंकि when it comes to UK, मैंने यूएस बोला ना, नहीं, when it comes to UK, ठीक है, यूके में यूनिवर्सिटीज बहुत ज्यादा नहीं है, ठीक है, and of course Russell Group exists, but in Russell Group itself, ठीक है, we have to make sure कि UK में if you want to get into UK, we are cracking the best university, like she's cracked Imperial, ठीक है. So for that said, we have to make sure कि top 5, top 6, top 10 is what we are aiming at least. वहाँ से जो ROI होगा, that would be significant in order to, of course, in comparison to what we can get from the Norak universities available, right? So Karthik, since we are in this industry, and we know the fact that when it comes to top rank universities, उनको बहुत diverse, बहुत robust profile चाहिए होता है, something which has elements of all the, something which has different elements combined together in a properly articulated manner. So when Prishvi came to you, okay, I think you were the one who created the profile enhancement plan for it.
Correct.
So what were the elements that we worked upon specifically?
Okay. So the profile enhancement plan is very subjective, ठीक है, because जब आपके पास एक profile आती है, it's a raw profile, right? Then you first assess it, then see what are the gaps. You identify the courses that the student is going for, right? So in that case, in Rishwi's case particularly, profile enhancement plan didn't play a major role, right? Because first of all, we were already in August, right? That was a timeline which is very close, right? So we were also have the question कि यार हमारी application हो जाएगी time से या नहीं हो पाएगी?
So we started very late.
Yeah, not very late, I would say, but we started a bit late, right?
Okay.
Where the scope of profile enhancement actually gets lowered, but still, there were certain elements that I had to tell her to do, because the first one that I put in the plan was the resume, right? That's not a profile enhancement plan, but resume is something that we had to work on. We had to put our brains to it. Took out that SQL certificate from a locker that it was put in. I don't know.
That's funny.
I don't know कहाँ था वो, but yes, वो last week आया. कार्तिक मैंने SQL करा था. अच्छा, okay. लिखो जरूरी है. Right. So that was one thing. Second was again when we were looking at curriculums and when we were exploring that. So we need to have a lot of things like Python and all those certifications. तो वो बहुत major part था for the profile enhancement. GRE GMAT we were skeptical, because Imperial says it's optional, but if you send your score, your profile gets stronger, right? So हम वहाँ पे skeptical थे, but again, we were in that timeline, so I told not to go for the GMAT because we had other things that were compensating for it, right? The first and the foremost was the CGPA, right? Because CGPA was somewhere around 8.7, so that was equating that. तो हमने कहा चलो, let's not waste our time on that. Let's focus on the other aspects. Then I suggested that we can write technical articles if we have the time to do so. So these 3-4 things were there, but again, for a student who is coming for this intake and who wants to crack these top universities, you need to give yourself time, and you need to have at least 2-3 months on your plate to work on things that what we suggest, or the enhancement things that we want to suggest. So that's the major thing, and in her profile it was just these 3-4 things, and I think with that we cracked Imperial, we cracked NUS, then we cracked Edinburgh, so all the top universities. But again, it is very important and very profile specific.
Okay.
If it was for MIM, तो MIM में हमें ज़्यादा कुछ नहीं करना पड़ता है, just your experience, and it's just your marks that says, and your extracurriculars, right? So she had all those things, and people who don't have that, yes, work on that. Build something. Follow your interest, because that's the only thing that we both focused on. And even Kashish reiterated our point again कि नहीं, marketing है तो marketing ही है. We are not venturing anywhere. So
Okay.
that's the major thing.
Okay, that's very clear. And in fact, when it comes to CV or curriculum writer,
Correct.
that's like your first point of contact when it comes to universities or organizations as well. It needs to be very properly articulated and very concrete as well.
Correct.
Impact नहीं करेगा तो I don't think कहीं से नहीं बताने वाला.
Right. So just a bonus point.
Mhm.
What I focus on and what I focus on the profile was कि we are quantifying the numbers, we are showing the achievements, and there's an impact to the sentences, right? It's not like कि एक sentence लिखा and that's done. So your CV needs to show, okay, yeah, let's say for example, I have taken up an initiative. That initiative led to this outcome, and it was the impact that was created. So we focused on all these 3 pointers in each and every pointer which is in the resume. So
Okay.
that is something that will help you crack that.
Absolutely, that subliminally connects the interview as well and the panelist to
Correct.
यार ये उखाड़ के आ रहा है कुछ तो
Exactly.
ठीक है.
Exactly. That's the point. कि हमें वो highlight करना था. And if you see the resume, if you see Rishvi's resume, audit वाले में हमने ज़्यादा कुछ highlight नहीं किया, but when it comes to the marketing internships, it's properly highlighted. We highlighted the clients she worked with, the efficiency or the outcomes or the numbers that she produced. So that was a major point for us to even highlight in the SOP. So that's the major.
Absolutely, management and revenue generation is like it plays a vital role.
Correct.
You have to showcase that skill. ठीक है. Like Kashish, we all know कि यार SOP का बहुत ज़्यादा एक इम्पोर्टेंस रहता है पूरे प्रोसेस में, जैसे हमने डिस्कस भी किया. बट व्हेन इट कम्स टू इंपीरियल्स SOP, उसमें बहुत ज़्यादा एक सबसेट क्वेश्चंस होते हैं. ठीक है. There where they actually talk about specific requirements जो आपसे मांगते हो. तो what are the key pointers that were highlighted in Rishvi's imperial SOP?
Okay. So as Rishvi also stated earlier कि imperial के 2 टाइप के क्वेश्चन होते हैं. First is the personal statement, जिसमें आप अपना intent completely show करते हो कि what is the intent behind the program or behind the application for the program. तो MSc marketing का हम लोग basically highlight करते हैं कि what are the short term and long term goals. That's what we did. By exactly marketing, how she got interested in marketing, and how her profile is also related to marketing. आगे चल के marketing में क्या करना है? Like she worked with FMCG brands as well.
Okay.
तो हमने वो भी कुछ highlight करा था. And in terms of short term and long term goals, the one thing that I also found a bit not peculiar, थोड़ा अच्छा मुझे ईश्वरी के SOP में ये भी लगा था कि थोड़ा एक सोशल वेलफेयर का भी हम लोगों ने एलिमेंट ऐड करा था.
Okay.
That she wanted to build a sustainable brand, luxury brand, right? Fashion से related, sustainable fashion. So this actually shows that she was aiming for something big, very big, क्योंकि हम एक ग्लोबल ब्रांड बनाने की बात कर रहे हैं. एंड सेकेंडली दिस इज सस्टेनेबिलिटी. तो एक हम लोग एक सोशल वेलफेयर का भी एलिमेंट ये डाल सकता है कि it's not just herself, her profits and some return of investment and just money that she was seeking, but she wanted to do something good for the society as well.
Okay.
So this was one thing. Besides that, हमने प्रोफाइल ऑलरेडी जैसे डिस्कस करा, कुछ क्वेश्चंस थे जिनमें हम लोगों ने फैकल्टी के बारे में बात करी है. करिकुलम को हमने स्पेशली हाईलाइट करा है. करिकुलम को हमने अपनी प्रोफाइल से भी अलाइन करा है, जैसे analytics and programming languages and the quantitative subjects that we had studied. These were the things that we had highlighted.
Okay.
तो इन सबको अगर आप कोरिलेट करते हो, you have a very good SOP right in front of you, imperial level SOP.
And additionally, जो questions थे, so when you see the application again, I remember the application more because वहाँ पे section, एक तो the application is a little irritating because the portal आप पहला वाला जब तक save नहीं करो, you can't go to the next step.
Okay.
So we had to do each and every step, right? Only then we could reach to the submission part. So there you have to select which industry you have to work in, right? You want to work in a large corporation, or you are working as an entrepreneur. You want to open your own business. So there are 3-4 options. तो जब आप एक ऑप्शन सिलेक्ट करते हो, the questions they completely change. आपके questions जो होते हैं वो बिल्कुल change हो जाते हैं, and you have to answer them in I think 300-400 words. And we selected large corporation, definitely, right? Large and big corporations. So the questions were very specific. and then if we change those questions, then आपके if we change the selection, आपके क्वेश्चन चेंज हो जाएंगे. So that also played a very major role कि okay, वहाँ पे हमारा एक डिस्कशन हुआ था कि हमको अब आगे करना क्या है, कि हमें सिलेक्शन क्या रखना चाहिए, right? So that the questions that we are answering, that is relating to our profile. So that was also a major part that was helping us to actually make the answers more particularly and more towards those arenas itself.
Okay. Skeleton तो हमारे से बना था, like you know, the first draft was done from Kashish and Karthik particularly. But according to you, Rishvi, क्या हमने reagents चाहे, like you know, what were the things?
I think one point was that I wanted to keep the application real also. That like I actually wanted to put things that I really wanted to do. For example, I did mention that I want to work into luxury brand management. So that's something that I mentioned. The entrepreneur thing that she mentioned, the sustainable fashion, that's also a long-term goal that I actually have, not something just for the application.
Correct.
So I think that, and I think the re-edits were majorly. I think we added about the faculty, that the percentage of people who are working in the luxury brand management, ये थोड़े बहुत re-edits थे, and मैंने इसका बहुत सर खाया. So
Okay, ठीक है. तो अभी we have gotten an offer from Imperial and we have decided to go to Imperial itself.
right,
ठीक है. So where are we in the process right now?
I just have to take the flight.
अच्छा, visa is done. Everything is done.
It's done.
Alright, congratulations. ठीक है. Alright, fair enough. How do you feel like now? Like, is it overwhelming? घर छोड़ के जा रहे हो, like to a new place, to a new
To be
country?
honest, I'm not actually processed that thing क्योंकि अभी I'm still working. मैंने resign अभी डाला है. I'm waiting to be released वहाँ से. So अभी वो process मैंने करा नहीं है because I think the last couple of months are pretty busy. I got my offer on 6th of December and
Okay.
I think Imperial was the first offer that I got. So I was pretty sure उस दिन से Imperial ही जाना है. बाकी सब भी आए and I was like ठीक है, I'm just adding it to my सुंदर medal.
Don't add it to the locker. Skill certificate.
No, but I'm just adding it as brownie points कि ठीक है मुझे यहाँ से भी offer आया. But then I was busy with work the past 6 months, so not really processed it. I'll process it now.
Okay. So अभी क्या plans है? Like, you know, till you fly off to UK, क्या करना है? Like,
So one thing that I want to do is really because वहाँ पे you have to जाते apply for jobs. So I want to work on my resume, work on the skill set, see the kind of people who getting in the roles that I want to get. And like what can I do to work on my skill? I think that's something I want to do. There's also some pre-course that they give, so that.
Yeah, bridge courses are there.
So that's something I want to do. बाकी थोड़ा बहुत fun too.
Fun, definitely.
Where I go eat everything possible.
Okay.
Will tell you about the teaching assistant opportunities, graduate assistant opportunities. So that is one of the major things that you should focus on because that plays a very important role. और वहाँ पे जो exposure है ना उसके बाद, that's tremendous. तो वो आपको industry ready बहुत जल्दी बना देगा.
Exactly. Like you can build your profile while working as well.
Right.
Correct.
Like बहुत सारे students का perspective होता है that we'll just go and we'll work in McDonald's. There's no point working in McDonald's.
Right.
Because you can grasp onto things like TAG, which Karthik mentioned.
Right.
Okay, ठीक है. All right, Rishwi. So how did you actually come across his website?
I think an Instagram ad or something. At that point of time, I was looking at a lot of other counselors, and I was just randomly calling up people and speaking with them.
Okay.
So I think I called Ashmita randomly only. And then that's how I came across Case My Prep. But then she set up my first meeting with, I think Nikhil was there. So I was really happy with how they were showing me the platform and profile enhancement
The
and
workstation, the
Excel sheet.
platform.
Yeah.
Exactly.
Yes, so that was one thing that really clicked with me, and then there was like the number of universities, and it was also economically very good as compared to other councils because I was feeling they were charging like way too much.
Okay. So rate your experience about the services that you were offered at H1
I mean 9 out of 10 ऐसे कुछ करना है.
You can speak about it as well.
One thing, why Excel sheets click to her, I want to ask that I have a very bad joke about it because she's from Deloitte. That's why. That's why Excel sheets clicked her. Oh, everything was kind.
सबको जैसे प्लान चाहिए ना, यहाँ पे so that is why the extra street clicked with me.
Okay, fair enough. So, how was your experience at Ace My Purpose? How
I
was
think my experience was very good. The first thing, and I will say this again, 10th time probably, but is that it helped me decide the course. I think everywhere else, if I would have gone, they would have been, ठीक है, आप MIM करने जा रहे हो, आप MIM करने जाओ, हमें कोई मतलब नहीं है. But Karthik actually helped me to decide my course.
Okay.
So that's the best part. I mean, बाकी obviously I got a lot of offers. So
Okay. A quick trivia. 3 words for Kashish and 3 for Karthik.
yes, I was.
ये क्या हो रहा है?
So you would discuss.
ठीक है. 2 words for Kashish, 2 words for Karthik.
I'll combine it.
Combine. Okay. So what's for Exceeds?
I think both of them had a lot of patience while dealing with me. They were not like, take it out with the edits, hold or something. And these are not words. I'm just telling.
Absolutely. I do understand the feeling.
And then I think both of them were also very quick with, ठीक है, अगर I'm wanting कि इस deadline तक कर दे. So both of them were very active उस चीज में कि ठीक है, we'll submit it on this deadline and we'll get you the SOP. And it was not like I was running after कि आज शाम को submit करना है, so please. So that.
Okay, ठीक है. So you have landed upon your destination, and looking back at your journey, you could start back on this. Right? Mention 3 highlighters or 3 pointers that actually you remember for your lifetime.
I think I'm gonna think about it.
हाँ, सोचो तो
3 pointers जो आपके लिए I would say point of remembrance है
From my age, my friend.
from Ace My Purpose, of course. You can guess about
Kashish,
2.
Karthik and the company.
Kashish, Karthik and 5 offers.
Okay, fine. Alright. So the journey does not end here. As with logic, strategy, and of course patience, every hurdle in your path can be overcome. This is what we have learned from Rishvi's profile. And in case if you are a study abroad aspirant, then you know where to come from. Thank you. Signing off.